Hello, my name is Tuan.
And I am Adriana, and here we will be talking about copper. Today we will be talking about the mineral copper. So, what is the most important thing to know about this mineral? Copper is a necessary trace element to all species. It is a key component of certain enzymes and interacts with iron as hemocyanin, which is important in red blood cell production. The nervous system and bones also need copper. Copper is important to the sense of taste, and copper has a distinctive taste that can be detected at very small concentrations. So what makes this mineral interesting, unique, and strange? Well, here's some fun facts about copper that I bet you didn't know. Copper is an element that is naturally antibacterial. This means that it helps prevent the spread of bacteria. It is a great choice for use in public buildings in the form of handrails, doorknobs, finger plates, and more. Copper pots and pans are preferred in kitchens because the material ensures that even distribution of heat and no heat spots and all of the food is cooked uniformly. Another interesting fact is that the metal is also toxic to invertebrates, so it is used on ship hulls to prevent attachments on mussels and barnacles. Another interesting fact is that copper does eventually oxidize to form copper oxide or verdigris, which is a green color. This oxidation is the reason the Statue of Liberty is green rather than reddish orange. So what are the major functions of copper in the body? So copper works with iron to help the body form red blood cells. It also helps keep the blood vessels, nerves, immune system, and bones healthy. Copper also aids in iron absorption. So the worst thing that can happen if you don't eat copper is that you will get anemia and/or osteoporosis. I'm sure you don't want to get sick or end up having osteoporosis or having anemia, so make sure we avoid the doctor's office by keeping up with our copper.
So, how do you know you are deficient?
So you will know if you're deficient if you have fatigue, arthritis, osteoporosis, paleness, low body temperature, always feeling cold, anemia, brittle bones, and frequently getting sick.
If you consume large amount of copper, it is poisonous. There is a rare inherited disorder, Wilson disease, causes deposits of copper in the liver, brain, and other organs. The increased copper in the tissue leads to hepatitis, kidney problem, brain disorder, and other problems.
Here we have an explanation of Wilson's disease in pictures.
The best food sources for copper are oyster and other shellfish, whole grain, beans, nuts, potatoes, and organ meats like kidney or liver. Also, dark leafy greens, dried fruit, and yeast are also good sources of copper in diet.
So make sure to eat enough copper in your diet if you don't want to get any of these deficiencies. Bye. Thank you. See you.